and OR is perpendicular to PQ. And OS is another line between OP and OR. Then prove that angle ROS, ये अपना angle ROS. This angle equal to half of the angle QOS minus POS. So first of all, since OR is perpendicular to PQ, therefore angle POR and QOR both are 90 degree. So sum of this angle is, so angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 90 degree. Multiply 2 on both sides. So twice of angle POS plus twice of ROS equal to 90 into 2, 180. This is the equation first. Why we are multiplied by 2 in this equation? Because 90 can be converted into 180. Because we will take the another equation in the form of 180. Second हम QoS को लेंगे. तो QoS and POS, sum of this angle is 180 degree by the linear pair. Angle POS plus angle QoS. वो sum is 180 degree. Reason linear pair. ये हो गई equation second. And from first and second. From first and second. Twice of angle POS. Both are equivalent to 180. Then both LHS are equal. POS plus twice of ROS equal to angle POS plus angle QoS. ट्रांसपोज कर दो इसको, तो ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल ROS इक्वल टू एंगल POS प्लस एंगल QoS माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल POS. सो ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल ROS डिफरेंस कर लो QoS एंड हुज डिफरेंस इज माइनस POS. 2 से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो, तो एंगल ROS equal to half of angle QoS minus POS. This is the proved. ROS equal to half of QoS minus POS. And question number second is, a conical tent is accommodate 11 person. A conical tent and is accommodate 11 persons and he required 4 meter square of space on the ground, on the base. 4 meter square space, required space is 4 meter square and 20 meter cube of air to the breadth. Only the one person required this. 4 meter square is the space and 20 meter cube of air required to breathe. Find the height of conical tent. Find the height of conical tent. So first of all, 4 meter square is the space for one person and 4 into 11 is 44. 44 meter square is the area of the base. So area of the base equivalent to space required for one person multiplied by 11. So 44 meter square is the area of the base, that is pi r square. Pi 22 by 7, r square equal to 44 and r square equal to 44 into 7 and r square equal to 14. ये equation 1. Again 20 meter cube of air to breath. So 20 into 11, that is the volume of the tent. Volume of tent is 20 into 11 meter cube. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 20